Good afternoon, class. Here is the third lecture of HTML, in which I will discuss various tags in HTML. Till now we have understood HTML tag, header tag, body tag, title tag also. Now many tags are also there in HTML. These are heading tags. The heading tags are used to display headings on web page in various sizes. There are 6 levels of heading in HTML. They are as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 is the largest, means the text which is written inside H1 is of largest size. Similarly, the text which is written in H6 tag is smallest, and the other H2, H3, H4, H5, the text written in these tags are the size of H1 and H6, in between the size of H1 and H6. Here is the syntax. H1, it is top level heading, H2 second level heading, H3 third level heading, H4 fourth level heading, H5 fifth level heading, H6 smallest level heading. So anywhere in the HTML program we can use headings. We can write any text in these tags. If we write any text in H1 tag, then it will be of largest size. Similarly, if we write any text in H6 heading, it will be of smallest size. Similarly, H2, H3, H4, H5 will have size in between H1 and H6 length. Here is the program. We can write hello world in body. For this we can use H1 tag. So hello world will be written in H1 tag, then output of hello world will be in largest size. Similarly, second tag is paragraph tag. As we know, paragraphs are written for organizing large text. Whenever we are interested in organizing the text into paragraph, then paragraph tag is used. For this, P tag. The name of paragraph tag is P. One more important statement here is ending tag, means opcode of P is not necessary. Now the attributes for P. Yes student, you must know that every tag can have attribute. Attribute means a special identification, special quality of any tag. Here we use with P tag align attribute. Align attribute is used with P tag to align the paragraph on web page. Align means either to arrange paragraph in left side, or to arrange paragraph in right side, or we can arrange the paragraph in center position also. So the way of writing any attribute with tag is this: angular bracket open, name of tag space attribute name is equal to value. Similarly, we will do with P tag. Here is the syntax: P space align is equal to value. The possible values for align attribute can be left, right, center. As I told, paragraph can be in left position, paragraph can be in right position. Similarly, paragraph can be in center position. Third tag is BR. BR stands for line break, means it can be used in with paragraph tag. Means if we want to change or if we want to break any line in paragraph, we can use BR tag. It stands for line break. The BR tag is an empty tag. Yes, it is an empty tag or standalone tag, same as title tag. In title tag we don't require to write any text every time. We can leave it empty. Similarly, we can leave BR tag empty or standalone as well. So the BR tag is empty or standalone tag that simply inserts a line break in paragraph. The syntax is, for example, if we start paragraph for further details contact, then we can add BR. Then we can further continue MJPRU, means MJP Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Rohilkhand University. Then again break BR Bareilly. Here is the example of both. HTML head title close, head off, then body on. Then we can insert P. With a line attribute we can insert any value, left, right or center. Then we can write the text. SCMS is reputed college in Pilibhit. We can break one statement. It is affiliated with MJPRU, means we can give BR at any time, anywhere. And one more thing, opcode of BR is also not necessary. As I told it, opcode of P is not necessary. Similarly, opcode of BR is also not necessary. We can add any number of BR tags just for breaking the line and to start fresh line. Again, I have given BR here. It has various courses including BBA, BCA, PGDCA, B.Ed, M.Ed, DLEd. Finally, we will close body and HTML. So there are 3 more tags which we can simply insert in our HTML program. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.